Hurricane Sandy. Did you really see? Nah. It's raining. It is cold. My TV signal sucks. Getting disconnected from the internet a lot. Experiencing just the beginning of Hurricane Sandy. Well, it's very cold. This is just the beginning of Hurricane Sandy. I don't think you guys can see it, but a lot of rain. The floors are wet. This is outside. It's nighttime, so of course there is no light. So yeah. This is the beginning. I will upload what happens when the real storm comes. Of course, I'm gonna have to upload it to, when the power goes on, because then there will be no internet. But I'm gonna be recording the entire thing. And I also heard that there's gonna be snow. So, yep, this is hitting Maryland right now.